the roller isn't working. Hi YouTube, I bought this today. I got it for 30 quid, like brand new. It's a Bissell crosswave, and you will be seeing this in a video shortly of it all working. Well, after this, after I put it back together again. Now, the roller isn't working. Now, when I got it, I thought, well, I've watched loads of videos, and all it is that part there is binding. Well, it's not. Not that at all. So before I even got it, I went and bought this. But I found that this has got a problem, not that. Right, so what I found is it's a simple repair, for me anyway. What it is if you look at the joints of there, you'll see that solder there, on that joint there, and I'll say that one there, ain't got no solder on that joint. And that's what it is, that joint just there. So remember, my camera's zooming in, or whether it's going to be good to me, but I've got the lights on, but there. So I'm going to solder that, and once that's soldered, it should be perfect. So I've got my old trusted soldering gun out, and I'll see whether I can, well, it's a bit awkward like, but I'll show you what I'm trying to do. Right, so if I leave that camera like that and hope that the motor stays still in place, and I'll move that wire out of the way, put that there. Okay, the soldering gun's warmed up, ready to go. So now I'm going to solder that joint. Heat the prong up really good, so the solder really takes to it, as you can see. I'm going to just do a bit more than that because I want to make sure that it don't fuck about in the future. There you go, and that will be repaired now. So now I can turn the soldering gun off again, and happy days. Bargain. So I'll go and plug it in, and we'll see whether this is going to fire up now. Yeah, I know it's a bit naughty, it's all in bits, but don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. So there she is, all in bits, as you can see. Well, we'll turn on now and see whether this part's working. You see there, it's sparking just there. I'll try and show you that. I'll hold it still, so I've got to solder that part there as well. Oh God, there's not much, is there? If you see that joint there, the solder is away from the board. Can you see that there, just there? I'll show you what's happening. So that's got to be soldered as well. So turn it back off again with the power supply, heat my soldering gun back up again, and do it again. So there's two joints that weren't incorrectly soldered. So what we're going to do is we're going to solder that one again now. So just drop it into place there, just so you can, well, sort of like that. Got my soldering gun already done. Got my solder ready. Just put some bit of solder on there. Make sure it's really done well. And melting the old solder onto the board as well. Make sure you've got a good joint, as you can see. That now is a perfect joint. Soldering off. Now we'll see whether she jumps about or whether she just plays nice. Now you can see that she's absolutely perfect. Now she's not jumping, not messing about. Job's a good one. So now I will repair it and, well, rebuild it, and I'll do a video soon of this beautiful machine flying along, doing what it's doing. So she's ready to go. But before I actually use that, because it is a vacuum and a sweeper, I want to just check something. First of all, I'm going to put it into soak. As I say, wet this thing before you start. So it's in there, and it's in wet water there, so it's going to have a little go. Right, now I want to vacuum up here first with what is supposed to be fantastic, obviously my shark, because I want to see. Well, my shark has been emptied already, so I'm going to do it with the shark first. Right, so that's over there now with the shark. So now really I wouldn't be expecting too much crap coming into the water. So here we go with this one, with the ultimate thing now, innit? Right, so we'll put the camera there, say, and I'll put it there, I suppose, over this way. Okay, it's right on the little stand, not a big one like I normally use. So let's try and set that up for you. Okay, so we've got the area basically where I'm going to be vacuuming. Well, washing or vacuuming, whatever you want to call it. This is a carpet, so I'm going to use the setting as a rug. And I'm just going to see what crap it comes out of. This carpet's not been washed for some time. can't believe this. I know a carpet's not a rug and I'm not supposed to do it for a carpet, but when you look at that carpet and you look how it was there where the line is, but I've not done it there, you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Light on the one side and dark on the other one. That's the dark side. Well, this is the part I've just done, as you just saw. So now let's have a look at the water. Let's see what that got off, what the shark never done, or let's see if there is anything what the shark missed, and what this baby just done. Well, the carpet is a bit wet, not wet at all. It's like just tepid, dry, wet, damp. Let's have a look in there. So far, not too bad. Well, you can see the crap what the sharks missed. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright then, let's go and empty the tank. Let's go and have a look at the tank. So that was all the crap what was left in my carpet after the shark had gone over it. Still loads of little bits, you can't really see them. Well, I can, very easy, but I don't think my camera will pick it up. But all the like grit that should have been out of the carpet with the shark, where you can see what that done to it. It's even got some filament there out of my 3D printer. Oh my god. Right, so yeah, that is a bit disgusting when you think about it, of what a shark does and then what that little machine does. I'm well happy with the Bissell. I've got the Bissell spot remover already, so now I've got the Bissell upright as well, so I'm well happy. Catch you all later. Bye.